Okay, ready? And action. What's your name?
Natalie Gerald.
How old are you?
I'm 13.
Okay, where are you right now?
Well, I'm on a bus, so I'm not going to tell you where my school is because that's weird.
Okay, so, we need a question. Ask her a question.
What's your favorite song?
What's your favorite song?
I Need You Love by Ellie Goulding.
Goldblum.
Are you a boy? Leave me alone! Are you a boy or a girl? Well, are you going to be like Chris right now and be like, Josh was like, let me think, are you a girl? Let me think about that.
Answer the question!
I'm a girl.
Okay. Okay, who's your favorite artist? Ariana Grande.
Christina Grimmie.
Oh, you changed it. If you could collaborate with any artist in the world, who would it be?
Christina Grimmie.
No!
Now say something random. If you could describe yourself in 5 words, what would you say?
Poop, face, and corn.
Well,
Those are 3.
Okay, 5 words.
random. Strange. Short for my grades. That's 1 word.
Is that a lot on your finger, really?
What are you talking
Where is it? Go.
Random. Short.
Come on.
Black.
Oh, I see how it is.
Black. Ready? Random, short. I'll just try to put it to
A girl.
Okay, girl.
In the back of a bus.
That's not describing yourself. Come on.
8th grade.
Okay. That's
That's not describing.
I don't want to describe myself.
okay.